Hi, I'm Liana, and I'm a therapist. There's something about being alive right now that a lot of us are floating above our bodies. We're not really embodied, we're not really present. And there's a lot of reasons why that's the case. I mean, if you look around, there's a lot to feel unsafe about. Our psyche is made up of many, 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 many different parts. We have all different parts inside of us, right? And so some of those parts may not be so conscious. And if the rational mind can't figure out, why am I anxious? Why am I feeling this way? Why can't I stop it? I have found it effective, both personally and witnessing this in my clients, to go in and open up to the unconscious to see if we can dialogue with different parts of the psyche, right? And so that might be going in and meeting our inner wounded, 3-year-old, for example, or the part of us that's really perfectionistic, or the part of us that's really critical. And I found that this work shifts experience at the foundations, whereas of course rational thought is important and it can be helpful, and there's something really powerful about going in and opening up to this work. And I like to use the analogy of poison arrows. So poison arrows are thrown at us from a very early age, often when we're too young to know what's poisonous for us or not. And it can come from the media or our parents or our church, or it can come from any number of places. And usually on these poison arrows, there's messages that say, to be worthy, I need to be blank. To be beautiful, I need to look like this. To be a man means this, right? And so part of our work as adults, we find that we're walking around with so many poison arrows that it can be unbearable, is to start to extract these, right? It has to feel safe enough to to be vulnerable, and that's something that I understand. And it can take time to build trust and comfort and safety. And so there's no rush in opening up.